going on? What's going on? What's going on? I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. And look, I'm going to give you your abs move of the day. But don't forget, get my Super Stomach Shredder membership if you're trying to lose 30 pounds before Thanksgiving, because look, that's what I'm on right now. And it's a buy one, get one free. So go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com, or you can just go to the link that's in the comment section. But go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com to get the Super Stomach Shredder membership. Again, it's a buy one, get one free. And I'm going to help you lose 30, get rid of your pooch, get rid of your backpack, get rid of your love handles. And I'm going to coach you personally to the body you want, need, and deserve. I train superstars, and guess what? I'm going to help you look like one too. Now, let me give you your move of the day. I need 50 of these, okay? So it looks like this. So you'll have one foot up, just like so. You're going to grab your knee. So we'll go 1, 2, then we'll go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get the gist. Boom, try to keep your feet up the entire time. Again, you're working your abs, you're working your hip flexors. I messed that up. You're working your hip flexors. Boom. And you're gonna make everything tight by doing this move. So make sure you suck in your stomach as you're doing this move, because that's going to incorporate your lower abs more so than anything else. And that's what we're really trying to hit, trying to get rid of pooch. So if you got me, say I got you, coach. In the comment section, put I got you, coach. And when you finish it, hit me back with #done to let me know the mission has been complete. Again, get the Super Stomach Shredder membership and let's get it. Now, before I let you go, I gotta give you some life homework. I mean, it would not be me if I just gave you a move of the day and I gave you give you some life homework. You gotta give you some life homework, because again, this is, all buckets full, being successful in all areas of life. I can't have you, banging here, but not banging here, or not banging here. So, theme of the day. Let me give you your theme of the day. Theme of the day. But why? That's your theme of the day. But why? People tell me I want to lose weight. But why? People say I want to get rid of my pooch. But why? People say I want to make more money, but why? I want to have a relationship, but why? Your why has to be that strong. I need for you today to clearly define your why. Why do you want a better body? Why do you want better health? Why do you want a good relationship? Why do you want a better relationship with God? Your why has to be that strong. Today, again, define why you want it. Because again, it's that why that's always going to reel you back in. Because every day won't be Sunday. Every day won't be Christmas. You're going to have some rough times. You're going to have some trials. You're going to have some tribulations. God is going to take you through the fire and a lot of stuff that you've been petitioning for. Because again, for everyone, there is going to be a requirement, good people. And as you're going through your test, you got to reel yourself back in and let that thing bring you back to your why. I want a better body. Why? Because I want more looks. I want more attention, because when I get more attention, it makes me feel good about myself. See, that's emotional. That's personal. I need for your whys to be emotional and extremely personal. Because again, when the hard times come, you can always go back to that, and that will keep you and that will maintain you during the rough times. So, theme of the day, find out your why. What's your why? But why? Okay? And put that in the comment section for me too. What's your why? What's your why? For everyone, what is your why? Because I'm really working on building you in terms of being the most successful person, point blank to the period, because I love training, I love coaching successful people, and there's nobody better than my bricks. So put that in the comment section for me, and if you got me, say I got you, coach. I love each and every single last one of you. Let's go out here and not participate in life, but let's dominate life. And if you got me, say I got you, coach. Love you. I'm gone.